real value of bringing simulation time down is the fact that you need to bring your products faster to market. And in order to bring your products faster to market, you need to be able to prove that your design will sustain in a range of operational conditions. You need to check your design against all kinds of different unexpected situations. And for that matter, HPC is really helping our customers to increase the throughput of their simulations, to be able to check also the integrity of certain products such that it will sustain a whole range of operational conditions. It allows our customers to differentiate their products in terms of quality as well as in terms of performance. There's where HPC is the enabler. Therefore, we see in our install base really an increasing demand for HPC to grow further in terms of HPC adoption. It's on different levels, from workstations, clusters, up to the server levels, and moving even more into the cloud.